Hello, and welcome to Godly Geeks Studios. I'm Ryan Maniac.
And I'm AB Doodles.
And welcome to Heavy Rain. Now, you have no idea what this game is.
I have legitimately no idea what this is. I kind of tried to look it up yesterday when I was had a break at work, but I was like, no, I'm just going to be surprised.
This is like a murder mystery story in which you are this father who his son has been kidnapped, and you're trying to find out where he's at.
Okay.
By doing several trials.
Sounds very
It's a cinematic experience unlike any other.
It's an experience.
It's a little goofy, but there's also worse games. But you've never played it, so we're gonna try it out today.
Alright, here we go.
Saturday, 11:22 a.m. Are you confused yet?
Yep.
Good. Get used to that feeling. That's kind of going to be a good bit of this game.
Why? Why do they have so many?
Because the guy who made it was super artistic and weird.
There's nothing wrong with being artistic or weird. Just not everybody.
Sometimes it can be, because then you'll get something like Death Stranding, which is weird. Also, he's sleeping on top of the covers.
Why?
Which is something no one does.
That's weird.
Try to do it slowly. Move the stick up slowly so you can stand up. Okay.
Hold R2 to walk. Use left stick to change direction.
Yeah, the movement of this game is a little weird. It's R2 is in the trigger.
Oh, that's weird.
And then you let it go when you want to stop.
Oh, I don't like it. I'm already... Wait, how do I do this?
You will do the right stick in that thing.
That's weird.
Nah, nothing in there.
You gonna be naked? At any time, you can listen to what your character thinks by pressing and holding L2. Okay.
I better take a shower and get dressed before I go downstairs.
You did it too quickly. Or something. I don't know. Controls of this game take a little bit of getting used to.
Okay.
Because, again, the dude was all about a cinematic experience.
Right, but I don't know. It's a game.
Shopping. I'll pick the kids up from school at lunchtime, and then I'll come home to get things ready for Jason's birthday party. Don't work too hard. I love you.
Grace. You gotta do it just right.
I felt that. The way he stood up, just
Me every morning, like legit.
That's the most realistic part of this game so far. It's just hang on.
I have a bird.
It's a bird. Little Tweety bud.
Who decides to just keep a bird in their house?
Lots of people, because people have pet birds.
I think they need to be free. That's just my viewpoint.
But they can be domesticated.
I mean, this is true. Might as well brush their teeth.
Yeah, brush your teeth.
Gonna brush my teeth.
And you're gonna see more and more of the weird game mechanics.
Oh dear Lord. Oh, I have to...
Shake the controller.
What?
To brush your teeth.
Wow.
You didn't do it. You didn't fill it up all the way.
I don't know. Quickly.
Yeah, super strong. You're scrubbing your teeth.
Look, I didn't want to play a game for a workout.
Yeah, you didn't expect motion controls in this game
today.
I did
not. I thought I was just going to be using... Oh.
I told you, this game is different from pretty much anything you've played before.
Well, here we go.
And now you got nice, shiny teeth. Shiny teeth in me. Yeah, check yourself out in the mirror.
You need a shower.
You know what else he needs? He needs himself to shave.
Oh my gosh, I have to shave.
And you gotta move it slowly. Oh wait. Yeah, this is one, it's like... I don't remember this... What did it say? I saw something a minute ago. Yeah, this is exactly what shaving's like, by the way.
Yes.
You're just going, there you go.
I love how, like, if you stop and you can move his, like, whole body.
Hang on, turn around. You talk... No, the other way. You talking smack? You talk about me?
Yes.
I know you ain't talking about...
Turn your head to see which actions are available.
Look at the shower. Oh, no.
Oh.
Just take that shower. Oh, well... Yep, that's gonna be censored.
This did not need to be in a game.
I forgot about that part.
We're just gonna exit that part out.
No, we're just gonna be a nice little blur on the cheeks. It's fine. Oh, don't look at him.
Again, what in the world?
I told you this game is gonna be like unlike anything you've ever played before. Just shout, just dry off.
I need you to put clothes on, sir.
Oh, and see that? It censored it just up until he put them on. Great, so now you're all nice and clean shaven. Now, go walk around your house. Press L1 to change the camera angle.
Oh. Oh.
Doesn't really serve much purpose.
I need to put clothes on.
Yeah, that would be a good thing to do. Pick out some clothes.
Gotta put on some pants.
Put on my pants one dubstep at a time. Don't you mean step? No, I mean dubstep. It's the toilet.
You have a toilet room separate from the bathroom?
It happens. It's weird, but it happens. This is riveting gameplay.
Yeah, it's the best. Also, you see that whole bucket full of toilet paper? That would be worth a fortune right now.
It sure would. That doesn't date this video at all. It's okay, we're somewhat post-quarantine. It's fine. Look at the kid stuff.
Oh, are you gonna juggle?
He is.
Oh, dear Lord.
Quick time events. Oh, you failed.
I didn't realize. Okay, it's fine.
See such riveting gameplay.
I'm so sorry, people.
You pressed the wrong button!
When does it stop?
It just goes on. There we go. Now you can put it down.
We're gonna put those down.
See, this kind of part of the game is kind of interesting because it just kind of teaches you all the controls by just doing simple, mundane tasks. Like brushing your teeth and shaving and stuff like that.
Awake?
Nothing like a refreshing shower. I almost feel awake.
I feel that. Look at that sick poster.
That's a pretty cool poster, I'm not gonna lie.
It's dope.
Wait.
Okay, go downstairs.
I need to go down the stairs.
Check out this cool house.
Because that's how you walk downstairs.
That's how I walk down the stairs. I don't know about you.
Very stiff.
Yeah, either like that or flying down going... You know this. What we got in the fridge? Happy birthday, Jason. Get some OJ.
Jason! Are you gonna drink it out of... You are.
Glug, 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 glug. Too much pulp.
You're supposed to use a cup! Savage!
Also, that is a very, very empty looking fridge, I must say.
Mm-hmm.
For a family of 4.
They had a lot of orange juice, though.
They did. And a lot of alcohol. Sip that cappuccino. Even though I'm sure it's bound to not taste that great, given the fact you just down some orange juice.
Well, you know. Wow.
Riveting gameplay. Just stare at this man, stare at the TV.
We're just gonna turn that off, and we're gonna stand up. Okay, where is your office? Is it this way?
It is that way. Like, down.
Oh. Wait, what is... Ooh.
What is that? I've never even seen that. Oh, it was a radio. Take it back, I have seen it. Now dance like you're Joaquin Phoenix. Dance down the stairs. You're just gonna this is what you call dancing.
Well, yes.
I mean, what else can you do? Yeah, your office is that way. What is this?
We're just gonna turn that off.
You gonna go to your office?
This way?
No. Back the other way.
Back the other way.
These controls just feel great, don't they?
I hate them.
You'll get used to them after a little while, but they're not very fun at first.
Ooh. You build things?
Pretty much.
Warm.
Oof, it's stuffy in here. I should get some fresh air in the garden.
So you do want me to do it.
Well, it's mostly just like, these are all things, options you can do. It's like just various different thoughts he has in his head. Also, you sat down. Come on.
He doesn't know what he wants.
I love how you went to turn and he just looked back and he was like, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm doing my best here.
Alright.
He's making something. What's he making?
What?
He's, what do you call it, an architect? No, that's not architect, is it? What's the word I'm thinking of? Like, he designs the house plans.
An architect. Isn't that correct? Yeah.
I think I'm thinking archaeologist.
That like, definitely doesn't build things.
They could. Just they destroy a lot more than they build. That's all. Too fast. Yeah, whenever it's the dash line, you gotta do it slowly. Not too slowly, or it'll die at some points. Yeah, it takes a little bit of getting used to, but after you've played a little while, it kind of comes a little bit more natural.
It's not annoying anymore. I didn't mean to do that. I meant to hit the other button.
Yeah, I might as well finish up, because I think this is like the last thing.
What do you want me to do?
You gotta tap the button. Like, repeatedly.
Oh, okay.
And whenever it flashes like it's like, mash. Yeah, he's just cleaning up his sketch now. That's a nice house.
It's a nice house. Ooh.
Where are my kids?
Where are my kids?
Oh, what's that?
Ooh, what is that? I can't tell.
I don't think I've ever seen that prompt.
I can't tell.
I think it's like, go right and then swoosh. Architecture, yeah. It's architect.
I was right.
That's what I thought it was. For whatever reason, my brain was like, no, architect is like people like Indiana Jones.
That's an argument. Wrong. It's the same letter, but wrong.
Yes, but actually no.
Correct, but also not correct.
Right, but also you're dead wrong and you're stupid.
You're gonna knock me over.
You're already on the floor.
So this is your big day, huh?
Am I grown up now?
Look at these terrifying children.
But you're getting there.
Why are they so shiny?
And I think you're gonna have to.
Because video games are hard to make.
Yeah.
Can you please help me?
See, it looks better.
Help your wife. Help your wife. It's like, oh no.
Never mind, I'll do it.
I'm sorry, I just wasn't thinking.
Yeah. Yep.
It's like, oh, I'm gonna help you. No, not really. No, not really. Oh, I'll help you. No.
How's your day then? Managed to get any work done?
I made some pretty good progress. I've just got to work on a few more details. And then
He just turns so unnaturally. Just like his whole upper body goes,
Look.
It'll only take a while before Jason's pals arrive.
Ethan, why are you walking in circles? No reason.
There should be plates in the living room cupboard.
Okay.
No problem, leave it to me.
Living room cupboard.
It is right by the table. Yeah. There you go.
That door is always sticking. Give it a big tug.
And
That's so weird.
That's the
Yeah,
stuff
this-
Mother gave us. Be careful, okay?
Don't worry,
Yeah.
I wouldn't want to be responsible for a diplomatic incident with your mother.
you gotta be careful with the plates so you don't break them.
Look at his face concentrating so hard.
Even though in real life you wouldn't be this careful with it. Let's be real. Also, this table looks pretty trashy, all things considered, compared to everything else in the house.
Yeah, it's like...
It's like, oh, put it. No. Look at that. You barely did a thing.
But I did a thing.
Like, it barely made a noise and you weren't careful with it. It's just a game trying to enforce being slow.
Ooh.
I don't know if I've already told you this today, Mrs. Mars, but I find you very attractive.
Oh,
Not so bad yourself, Mr. Mars.
Oh, so their last name is Mars. Oh.
Ethan and Grace Mars.
Oh!
Oh, that
Oh!
that looks a little off.
That was so bad.
But now is not the right time for it.
Shame.
Now's not the right time for
I've really
it.
gotta focus
That's
on this party.
what an awkward sentence.
We'll continue this little
It
conversation.
sounded so robotic.
Yes, because... Help President Jason.
Help.
Jason!
Jason!
Yeah. It's hard to believe he's 10 years old today. It seems like
Oh,
only yesterday.
he's only
we were
10?
in high school. We're getting old. Isn't it?
Yeah, honey, that's real weird.
When are Jason's friends coming?
That's how I will woo someone one day, is just sitting around just going,
I'll be able to keep the conversation up.
So look at your kids playing. Look at your kids playing Star Wars. That's not the idea. Oh, look at those kids. Lock them outside. What was that? Ah.
Okay, we promise, Mom.
Who wants to go first?
Me first. No, me first.
Easy, fellas. You can both have a turn.
Pick which child you love more.
Me first. Me first. No, me first.
All right, Jason. Let's do the helicopter.
Oh, dear
Okay, now
Lord.
spin it around in circles. Because you're doing a helicopter. Oh gosh!
Ah.
So look at that horrible, horrific face. Okay,
Now it's my turn.
now play with the other child. Gotta pick up your kid. Pick him up.
Okay, Sean. Get ready. Here we go.
And now you steer the controller to move around.
Riveting gameplay right here.
dead silence, along with just birds chirping and a kid laughing. Throw your child down.
Big muscles.
Be careful.
He's
Hank.
not even that ripped. Alright, pick up your children. Urgh!
There's a reason why he's struggling right now.
Hulk smash!
This feels like I'm like playing a biography on somebody's life. Like a really sad biography.
That's kind of what it is, really.
Yes.
Oh, here we go.
This time you're done
Get ready to destroy your child.
for all your crimes.
Also, that voice clip did not cue in.
Surrender,
Nope.
weakling. Say your
What's happening with the audio? They're not saying anything.
Come on, Jason. Hoi.
Don't give up. I am victorious.
Watch out.
There we go, they're back.
Attack. Whoa.
Decapitate your child.
Oh, that's gonna work.
You know, most parents would let their child win.
Not this
Ethan Mars is not most parents.
Yeah, good.
He will outright destroy his child, crush his hopes and dreams.
Yeah. Hoi. Oh, no. My body.
Let's come to an end.
Food's ready, kids. You coming in?
I'm hungry. Let's eat.
What did she make in that short of an amount of time?
Sean,
Bread and a salad.
Lunch is ready.
I'll go get him.
Wait, where'd he go?
He's upstairs.
Why did he go upstairs? He was just outside.
He went upstairs because he wanted to check something in his room, maybe.
But like his mom just said, "Hey, lunch is ready." They came inside, and he just decided
So-
he was
okay,
gonna
so you're
bolt
saying-
past the food and go.
Maybe he
ups-
needed to check something. You don't know. See, look, there he is, by the birdcage.
What's up?
It's Merlin. He's dead.
I killed him.
He's dead and it's all my fault.
No, it's not, Sean. Of course it's not your fault.
Except it totally is, because that bird was perfectly fine like 30 minutes ago.
Yeah, how did he die? It was fine.
Something
Sean straight up killed the bird.
Straight up.
I'm pretty sure.
you don't want.
It never says he did, but that's the only thing that makes sense. That would explain his robotic delivery, too. It's just like, oh, I'm so sad. I don't like sand.
It's so weird.
I don't like sand. It's coarse and rough and irritating. It gets everywhere.
Oh my gosh! Why?
Alright.
Why does it sound like Titanic music? Because it just sounded like straight up like.
A little bit.
Also,
Get onto your children!
Also, if I was in public and somebody was letting their children just run like that, I
You'd
would.
be hey,
Oh,
hey,
it's
look.
a creepy clown. I'm done. Bye. I'm done with this game.
I'd like to have a quick look at some shoes for Sean.
That mouth did not line up with the words.
I can't. What? I can't hear you, honey. Huh?
We're not going anywhere, are we, Jason?
Come on, honey.
Jason's the one that's gonna get kidnapped, isn't it? That was creepy. That was beyond.
Did you see that lady?
Just walk,
Just
turn
walk-
around.
Oh, that was so weird. All right.
We thank you guys so much for watching our video. If you have not, hit the subscribe button below for more crazy videos, kind of like this one. Also, go check out some of our other videos that we have. You know, we haven't had a lot because of life.
Because of
but-
the virus that we will not speak of. Because
But-
if we do, then YouTube's gonna come after us.
Yeah, but anywho, we're back, making some videos.
For the foreseeable future, we're back.
Yeah. So, thanks so much for being patient and still supporting us. We thank you. So anyway, join us for our next video for Heavy Rain Part 2, where we see what happens.
Fun things happen.
Fun things happen.
Yeah.
I don't know. So, anywho, catch you later. Peace out. Bye.
Thought it was something about a fantastical day.
Oh, yeah. Have a fantastical day, or night, or evening, or whenever you're watching this. Just make sure it's a fantastical one. Peace out.
Bye.
It's been way too long since we've recorded. I forgot the outro.
You're doing the outro?
I blasted for a good 28 minutes.
I'm hoping that one day there just comes a point where there's like a full compilation of you just these laughing fits.
Anywho,